My name is Kyle LeForge, and I am the audio and lighting engineer at Coastal Community Church in Parkland, Florida. So we had the opportunity to evaluate the ADJ Focus Flex L7 in our next-gen spaces. So one of the things that we did was used it on our stage deck just beneath our LED wall, and it allowed us to get a really nice backwash. We were also able to use it in our front lighting bar. It has a really cool color feature that adds a lime color into the color spectrum, which allows for us to get a greater color depth. This fixture from 0 to 100 is completely smooth in how it dims, as well as how the colors function in and out from each other. I want it to be able to put out the light that's needed, but not just be a blinding light. What I was really impressed by was actually the lens that they put within this fixture. It's able to make it clear, crisp, and powerful, but I was never once distracted by the light. From a person who kind of stewards money for our church when it comes to our technical appliances, is the fact that you can buy 4 of these lights at one time, and then a couple of years later buy 4 more, and the colors of these lights will actually match each other. If you have a lot of CMY lights like we do in our next gen space, it actually allows for me to use that virtual CMY wheel as I'm going through and programming, and it does the same type of wheel turn that I would get out of my other CMY fixtures that are being used at the same time. So they actually allow for you to select LED refresh rates for your camera. And so that means anything from 900 hertz up to 25,000 hertz, it actually allows for you to move that spectrum, so that if you're getting any sort of shuttering that's happening from the light, you can actually adjust it out of the range so that you won't have those problems on broadcast video, which is such a big deal when it comes to making sure your video looks good. On the face of the fixture, you'll notice that it's in a honeycomb shape. So you have basically 6 pixels that surround a center pixel, and it allows for you to program these pixels in a certain way. So you can actually pick a foreground and a background color and then intermix those things together. It really gives you a diverse way to use this fixture, even though it's only 15 pounds. So one of the things that's really important about selecting fixtures for the arena or the space that you're in is making sure that they live up to the certification that's needed in the city that you're in. ADJ on the Focus Flex L7 has done a CE certification, and that allows for you not have to worry about that fixture being there or how it's being used. It's actually protecting you. And I'll tell you, this fixture, for the size that it is, for the weight that it is, absolutely kills it. Multi-purpose, and we are so excited to back it.